So friends, you are welcomed to the next part of Active Directory tutorial. Here we will discuss about how can we recover the AD objects which are deleted whether accidentally or we have intentionally delete them. So let's come to the session. Here in this session I will cover three things. First of all, Tombstone Lifetime. The second one is Active Directory Recycle Bin, and the last one is LDB tool. So first of all, let's discuss about the Tombstone Lifetime. Whenever we delete any AD object, this is not actually deleted from the AD database directly, but it resides in the AD database for some time, and that time is known as Tombstone Lifetime. By default, this time is 180 days, and we can make changes to this time period using ADSI edit. So first of all, let's see how can we change Tombstone Lifetime. So for that, I need to go to the machine. This is server 2012, and what I have to do, I will go to server manager and then tools and then ADSI edit. So first of all, let's see whether it is already started. Yes, it is already running over here. So you're watching here, this is the second tab, configuration, but if you're running first time it is ADSI edit, this will not be available over here. In that condition, what you have to do, you will go to ADSI edit, you will connect to, and you need to select from here configuration and click OK. But I'm not doing this because configuration tab is already there, so I'm cancelling it. Next, I will expand the configuration tab, expand this also, then expand services, expand Windows NT. Here you're watching directory services, so what you have to do, you will right click here and go to properties. It will take some time. One thing I would like to remind you, if your Tombstone Lifetime exceeds, then you will not be able to recover the deleted objects using recycle bin. So in that case, if that exceeds, you can recover only using authoritative restore. Fine, so this window has opened. From here you will have to search Tombstone Lifetime. Yeah, here it is, and you will select it and go to edit button. Now you can set any of the value according to your wish, but I'm not going to change it. It's up to you. If you want to change it, you can do that. I'm going to cancel it. So this is the way to make changes to your Tombstone Lifetime. Let's come to the next session, that is Active Directory Recycle Bin. Active Directory Recycle Bin was introduced in Windows Server 2008 R2, and this is just like your normal recycle bin. Whenever you delete any AD object, you can recover it using Active Directory Recycle Bin. First of all, we need to make it enable, and then all the AD objects will be available in the list. We will select any of the AD object and will recover it. So, but remember one thing, you can recover the AD objects within the time period of Tombstone Lifetime only. If that exceeds, you will not be able to recover using the Active Directory Recycle Bin. This will be permanently deleted. So let's see how can we make it enable. I'm going to server machine again. From here, from the tools menu of server manager, we need to open Active Directory Administrator Center. It will take some time. Yes, here it is open. Here you will select your domain name. Here on the right side in the list you will see enable recycle bin. By default this is not enabled, but here because this is already enabled, so this is in gray color. So If it is not enabled, you will click it and make it enable. After making enable to it, you will see here deleted object. So all those objects which are deleted, that may be your user account, that may be your computer account, all those AD objects will be available in the list over here. So what you have to do, you will simply right click here or simply left click here and you will click on restore, that will be recovered. So let's have a look at the live example. What you have to do, I'm starting PowerShell to delete a user. However, you can delete using your AD users in computer snap-in also, but because PowerShell is much more faster and I like it to work, so I'm using PowerShell. So first of all, let's see some of the users to delete. So I'm using get AD user command. I want to see all those users which are starting with letter R. So for that I will give this command. Okay, so it has shown there are two users which are starting with letter R. One is Rahul Singh, another one is Ravi Gupta. So what I'm going to do is I'm deleting Rahul Singh from here and then I will recover it using Active Directory Recycle Bin. So for that there is a command remove AD user, and then the name of the user. It is confirming for me, pressing Y, it has been deleted. Let's see, is it really deleted or not? So for that I'm giving get AD user command again. So you're watching now there is only one user by the letter R, that is Ravi Gupta. So Rahul Singh has been deleted. So let's see how to recover it using Recycle Bin. I'm going to Administrative Center again. Rahul Singh is not visible over here. So let's refresh the window using F5 key. Here you are watching, it has come. Fine. So what you have to do, you will select the user and you will click on restore. So it will restore to the default location and has been done. It's so easy. So let's see, is it really deleted, restored or not? So I'm giving get AD user command again. You're watching here. So it has been restored. So it was really very simple. So let's come to the next session, that is LDP tool. As I told you, this tool is also used to recover the deleted objects. But first of all, let me tell you one thing. If you have the facility of Active Directory Recycle Bin, then first of all you prefer that, because this is much more easy. But if you don't have the facility of Recycle Bin, you're working on the previous versions, then you can use LDP. However, LDP also works in the newer versions like 2012 also. And if both, I mean Recycle Bin and LDP, using both you are not able to recover the AD objects, then you have the option authoritative restore, and using that you can restore any backup if you have taken. But remember, authoritative restore should be the last option, because sometimes it may be a little dangerous if you have not taken proper precautions. So let's see, because authoritative restore I'm not going to cover in this video, so you have to watch another video for that. So let's see how can we recover using LDP tool. I'm going to machine again, and I have to start LDP. So whether I can use the run command to start that, or I can start using PowerShell also. So what I have to do, on PowerShell I will write LDP. You can use the same name using your run command also, and you will need to press enter. So it has been open. Fine, that's very good. So what you have to do, you'll go to connection, then connect. Here you need to write the IP address of the server. From here you have to recover your deleted object, and then click on OK button. Fine, the connection has been established. Next thing you have to do, you'll have to bind it with any user. So user should have a proper privileges so that he can recover. So right now I'm logging using administrator, so it has full privileges. So for that I will click on bind, and bind is currently logon user. So I am clicking this. If you have any other users, so you can use the privileges of those users also, but I am using the current user. I am clicking OK. So here you are watching, it is authenticated using administrator account. Fine. So what next thing you have to do, you will go to options, you will go to controls, and from here, from this list, load predefined, you will select return deleted object. Fine. Then click OK button. Then you will go to view menu, and you will display using a tree view. Ensure whether your domain name is available over here or not. Click OK. So fine, your domain name has displayed over here. Expand it, go to deleted object and double click it. So whenever you will double click it, it will be expanded, and so all those users which you have deleted, those users will be available over here. So what you have to do, like here you're watching Renu Sharma, this is the deleted one, so I want to recover it. Fine. So what I have to do, I will right click here, go to modify, and from this attribute I will write here is deleted. From the operation, select delete checkbox, radio button, sorry, and click on enter button. Okay, this entry has been done in the entry list. Next thing what you have to do, in attribute you will write here distinguish name. And from these values you will write the complete DN, complete distinguished name of your object which you have to undelete. So you should know. So I am going to recover Renu Sharma. I know it's DN. Only if you know, you can recover it. So it is CN equals to Renu Sharma. CN equals to users, and what was the domain name? That was orange.com. From operation you will select replace now, and you will click enter button again. This entry has been done. Fine. Now ensure this extended checkbox is selected, and after that you will click on run button. Here you are watching modified. If this is available, it means your object has been recovered. If there is some error, it will show here the errors. Fine. So now close it. Let's see whether Renu Sharma has been recovered or not. So for that I will use get eduser command again. So you're watching here, yeah, this is the last one. So this has been recovered. Fine. So this was the way to recover using your LDP tool. So that's all. I think the topic will be interesting for you. If you like it, please like on your video. Thank you.